Today we are going to discuss reaction of haloarenes. Haloarenes means aromatic compound with halogen on it that are called haloarenes. Again, aromatic compound with halogen on it that are called haloarenes or aryl halides. Now in that we are going to see here nucleophilic reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now in that, first a reason is there that aryl halide or haloarenes is very less reaction giving compound, means very less reactive compared to alkyl halide. Again, what is the question? Aryl halide or haloarenes is very less reaction giving compound, means very less reactive compared to alkyl halide. Why is that? What we are looking here, nucleophilic reaction, in that aryl halide or haloarene are less reactive compared to alkyl halide. Why is that? So total 4 reasons are here. The first one you can see here, resonance structure. In aryl halide or haloarene, you can see this is benzene ring and it is having chlorine on it, so it is haloarene. In haloarene, 3 pi bonds are there in benzene structure, and chlorine, it is having 6 non-bonding electrons. Now what happens here? These non-bonding electrons participates in resonance structure. You can see these 2 electrons will come here to form a double bond. This double bond will break and make a negative ion here. So you can see a negative ion is there. This electrons forms double bond here. Now chlorine is losing its electron, so it becomes positive here. Now what will happen? This is carbon number 2. Now negative ion will go on carbon number 4 here. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative ion comes on carbon number 4. The double bond position changes here. You can see. Next to that, the negative ion will go on carbon number 6. This is carbon number 6. So negative ion will go on carbon number 6. And lastly, we will get original structure. Now this resonance structure you have learned in 11th standard also. Again, what happens here? These 2 non-bonding electrons moves here and forms a double bond with carbon and chlorine. So chlorine becomes positive. This double bond breaks here and it becomes negative ion here on carbon number 2. Then negative ion changes its place from 2 number carbon to 4 number carbon. So you can see there is a negative ion on 4 number carbon now. Then 4 number carbon to 6 number carbon. The negative ion goes on 6 number carbon. Then original structure means negative ions revolves here from 2 number carbon to 4 to 6. Now these are resonance structure of haloarene. Total 5 resonance structures are here. So in haloarene resonance structure are possible, but in alkyl halide, in simple alkyl halide, resonance structure are not possible. So alkyl halide do not have any resonance structure, and more resonance structure means more stability, means less reactive. And here we are getting 5 resonance structure in haloarenes, so they are less reactive compared to alkyl halide. Again, more number of resonance means more stability and less reactivity. So due to that, we saw that haloarenes have resonance structure, 5 resonance structure. So they are more stable and less reactive. That is our first reason. Now look at the second reason, that is hybridization. You can see this chlorine is attached with this carbon. Now this carbon is having double bond on it. So this carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. In alkyl halides, simple alkyl halides, you can say this is methyl chloride. In that, carbon is sp3 hybridized. So in haloarene, halogen attached carbon is having sp2 hybridization, and alkyl halide sp3 hybridization is there. So sp2 hybridization is more stable, less reactive than sp3 hybridization. Again, sp2 hybridization is more stable, or you can say less reactive than sp3 hybridization. This is our second reason. Again, first reason, that is resonance structure. Second reason, that is hybridization. Now the third reason. Now what will happen if I remove this chlorine as ion? So you can see this is chlorobenzene. Suppose I am removing this chlorine as ion, so chlorine becomes negative ion, and this whole ring, that is called phenyl cation, it is having positive ion on it. Hydrogen is missing from this carbon, so it is phenyl cation. Now if I remove same Cl minus ion from alkyl halide, so it will give Cl minus plus CH3 plus ion, methyl cation. Now if we compare the stability of these two cation, phenyl cation and methyl cation, then phenyl cation are less stable. Again, phenyl cation are less stable than methyl cation. Here the stability of ion is we are discussing here. Here more stable ion means easy reaction, and more stable ion is of alkyl halide, so it gives easy reaction compared to haloarene. This is our third reason. Again, first reason, that is resonance structure. Second reason, that is hybridization. Third reason, that is phenyl cation. Stability of phenyl cation is less compared to methyl cation. That's why it is less reactive compared to alkyl halide. The fourth reason is that you can see in haloarenes total these 3 double bonds are there, so total 6 pi electrons are here. What is pi electron? Double bonded electrons. Here in this double bond 2 electrons will be there, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, so total 6 pi electrons are there in benzene structure. And addition to that, this chlorine is having 6 non-bonding electrons. Now if I try to react a nucleophile on it, if I try to react a nucleophile means negative ion. So what will happen? This is negative ion, and this structure is already having so much of electron, so there will be a repulsion between them, so it is less reactive compared to alkyl halide. So total 4 reasons are there why haloarenes are less reactive in nucleophilic reaction compared to alkyl halide. Again, while haloarenes are less reactive compared to alkyl halide in nucleophilic reaction. Now here look at this reaction. It is substitution of hydroxyl group. Substitution by hydroxyl group means halogen will be replaced with hydroxyl group, alcohol group, OH. Okay, so here's the reaction. Suppose we have starting material chlorobenzene. It is chlorobenzene. When it reacts with NaOH, means base. Now here you can see the chlorobenzene is there and it is less reactive, like we show. It is less reactive. So we have to apply some harsh condition to react it with NaOH. So temperature is 623 Kelvin and pressure is 300 atmosphere. Temperature and pressure both are high here. Why? Because aromatic halides are less reactive. Now in second step, the intermediate will react with acid, any kind of acid. You can take HCl or H2SO4. So it will give phenol, benzene ring and OH. You can see Cl is replaced with OH. So it is phenol. Here important thing is the condition. You can see 623 and 300 atmosphere pressure is here. When chlorobenzene is starting material. Now if I change the starting material, you can see here the starting material is now para-nitrochlorobenzene. Here on para position a nitro group is there. Now nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Again nitro group is electron withdrawing group. So it will withdraw some electrons from here. It will withdraw some electrons from here. So repulsion will be less here. Like we saw earlier, there is repulsion between nucleophile OH minus ion and this structure. But due to presence of NO2 group, electron withdrawing group, it will withdraw these pi electrons from the structure. So the repulsion will be less here. So here you can see the temperature is slightly less. In first reaction the temperature was 623 Kelvin. But when electron withdrawing group is there in starting material, the temperature changes to 443 Kelvin. Again temperature changes to 443 Kelvin. Other than that it is same. You can see NaOH as previous reaction and second step is H+. Now what is the product? Simply replace this Cl with OH. Cl into OH. Halogen into alcohol group conversion. Now this reaction is used when single nitro group is there. This is single nitro group. Now what if two nitro groups are there in the structure? You can see this reaction. There are two nitro groups here. Both are electron withdrawing. So again condition is changed here. You can see 368 Kelvin temperature is here. Means temperature is less compared to about two reaction. Why temperature is less? Because it has two nitro group, two electron withdrawing group are here. So temperature is slightly less. You can see product just change this Cl into OH. Now what if three nitro groups are there? So in case of that you don't need any base also. Just simply warm it with water so it can be changed from Cl to OH. Three nitro groups are here. So we do not need any harsh condition here because three electron withdrawing groups are here. So simply warm it with water. It can change Cl into OH.